The Coffee Loophole Diet is a unique approach to weight management that incorporates coffee as a central element. It promises to enhance metabolism and boost energy levels, all while enjoying your favorite brew. One of the primary benefits of the Coffee Loophole Diet is its potential to increase metabolic rate, helping the body burn calories more efficiently. Additionally, coffee can suppress appetite, making it easier to manage portion sizes and reduce snacking. The diet also provides an energy boost, which can enhance physical performance and mental alertness. To follow the Coffee Loophole Diet, start your day with a cup of black coffee, avoiding added sugars and creams. Pair your coffee intake with a balanced diet rich in whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Avoid overconsumption of coffee, as excessive caffeine can lead to negative side effects like insomnia and jitteriness. Do not rely solely on coffee for weight loss. It should complement a healthy lifestyle. Also, steer clear of high-calorie coffee drinks that can negate the diet's benefits. Common questions include concerns about caffeine sensitivity and the diet's compatibility with different lifestyles. It's important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new diet plan. The Coffee Loophole Diet offers a novel way to incorporate coffee into a balanced lifestyle, potentially aiding weight management and enhancing energy levels.